Assalamualaikum Wr.wb. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with me, Miss Rista. Okay, today I'm not alone. I'm with my friends Oktarina Fajri. Today we're gonna talk about English for specific purpose in aviation context. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel and my friends' YouTube channel in description box. Okay? Let's start, guys. Stay tuned.
Section 12 Aviation English Caroline Model. This is the concept map for this section. There are 6 parts that we're gonna talking. The first is about introduction. The second is aviation English discourse. The third is comprehension and negotiation. The fourth is cognitive load and comprehension. The fifth is politeness and mitigation. And the last one, aviation English curriculum development and testing. Okay, we're gonna talk the first one. It's about introduction. In this part, we're gonna talk about the meaning and theories and the ICAO. What is it? What is ICAO? Aviation English describes the language used by pilots, air traffic controllers, and the other personnel associated with the aviation industry. The language used by flight attendants and the other general aviation personnel, like many forms of English for specific purpose, uses conventional English pronunciation, structure, vocabulary, and interactional pattern, but adapt them to the purposes of the particular domain and context. It is from Shooting 2011. The ICAO is a specialized agency of the United Nations whose role is to set standards for aviation safety and security and to promote cooperation in civil aviation among its 191 member states. ICAO, or International Civil Aviation Organization. Minimum acceptable proficiency level. Operational level 4 requires pilots and the air traffic controller to demonstrate comprehensible pronunciation, intelligible fluency and delivery, and a vocabulary range sufficient to communicate on common, concentrate, and work-related topics with the ability to paraphrase in unexpected circumstances. Okay, we are gonna move to the second part. It's about aviation English discourse. Air traffic communication occurs entirely over radio frequencies and includes no face-to-face communication. The specific language and exchange sequences required for the routine pilot-controller communications is specified in professional training documents, most particularly in ICAO documents 4444 Air Traffic Management, ICAO 2001. The prescribed vocabulary and syntax are referred to as phraseology. Non-prescribed uses of more common English vocabulary and syntax are called plain English by aviation professionals. Okay, there are 2 samples in aviation English discourse. We're gonna move to example 1. Center Control Papa November 395 at 30330. Papa November 3905, Center Control, Roger. Maintain flight level 330, report at Duka. Report at Duka, Papa November 3905. Okay, the example 1. Center Control, Papa November 3905 is over Duka. Papa November 3905, Center Control, Roger. Radar service terminated. Maintain 330, contact Melada 125.5. So long. 125.5. So long, sirs.
Okay, in here I want to explain about comprehension and negotiation of meaning. The difficulty of comprehension in the radio channel makes the negotiation of meaning a critical skill in aviation English. The theory is comprehension is especially difficult in portions of the flight that involve the exchange of a great deal of rapidly present information essential to flight safety, such as takeoff and landing. The pilot must attend to all of the information given and provide a read back to ensure comprehension accuracy. The preceding discussion has highlighted some of the major features of aviation discourse, including its specialist vocabulary, restraints, syntax, and interactional characteristics. For example, Eastern Control Airline 364 now raising flight level 250. Request further allow. Airline 364 standby. Airline 296 confirm requesting lower altitude. Airline 296 negative. Airline 296 Roger. Airline 364 confirm requesting lower altitude. Airline 364 Roger, request 210. Airline 364 scans and maintain flight level 230, correction 210. Airline 364 leaving 250 for 210. Thank you.
Next chapter, cognitive load and comprehension. Comprehension of complex information is central to safe and effective communication in the aviation domain. In most exchanges, information flows from the controller to the pilot, making the comprehension skills of the pilots critical. The theory is Ferris et al. 2008 described the multiple concurrent tasks pilots perform that require memory and processing domains in terms of cognitive workload. They suggest that high cognitive workload may interact with language proficiency to affect the ability of flight crews to adequately interact in radio communication with controllers. In a study of 268 turns out from approach control at Portland Airport, Barcy 1997 found that the message length varies from 2 to 6 pieces of information per controller turn. Most controller instructions contain 2 or 3 pieces of information, but about a fourth contain between 4 and 6. As the message length increases, the number of full and correct pilots readbacks decreases. 1997 25. Cookson 2009 discusses how code switching may have contributed to the well-known collision of 2 aircraft in Zagreb airspace in 1976. In this instance, language was a contributing factor, but the excessive workload placed on the controller was a major precondition for the accident. Next, politeness and mitigation. Plain English phrases are proscribed in official training as impeding the efficiency of the information exchange, and they are discouraged by aviation-based research. Howard 2008, Morrow, Rothfull, and Lee 1994. In a study of communication in the cockpit, Linde 1888 found that hierarchical relationship among members of the flight crew had a complex impact on their interaction in reviewing transcripts of cockpit recorded data from 8 aviation accidents. She found that requests made by more junior CO pilots to the captain were more likely to be mitigated or indirect. ICAO standards require that routine communication be conducted entirely in prescribed phraseology. Actual language use evinces the same kind of variation found in everyday language. For example, Island 296 negative. Center Control Island 2130 request. Ireland 2130, Center Control, go ahead. Yes sir, like to get off flight level 390 if we could. We were pilot for that. Ireland 2130, Center Control, standby please. Ireland 2130, climb and maintain flight level 390. Okay, we are leaving 350 for 390, Ireland 2130. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, sir. And the last chapter, Aviation English Curriculum Development and Testing. In English for specific purpose, teaching and testing, the task of the curriculum or test designer is to mirror as accurately as possible the language, task, and context of the target language situation. The theories. Sullivan and Chair Jr. 2002 discussed the use of discourse analysis to design materials for an ESP program in a civil aviation school in Turkey. Cutting 2011 discusses the use of file observation to build dialogues that serve to gauge the development of classroom materials. Testing of non-native speaking aviation professionals incorporates the distinctive interactional language features of radio telephony in their designs. Clear overview of the ICAO testing parameters and efforts by various countries to meet them are provided by Reed and Knoch 2009 and Alderson 2009. Based on the performance of controllers on a variety of language test tasks, Moder and Halleck argue that it is essential to include both routine and unexpected radio telephony tasks in aviation English tests, making use of representative authentic combination of phraseology and plain language. In particular, Sunny 1999, Neville 2004, and Weisbuhlman 2005 provide detailed description of the work-related context of pilots and controllers. Smith 2004 provides a highlight accessible overview of select aviation topics designed for a general audience.
Do you love the rain? party. What's your favorite song? Doesn't make you smile. Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I spent 10,000 hours, 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweet heart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or...
Okay, I think it's enough for today. Me and my friend explained about aviation English. I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum Wr.wb.